Hi there, it's Dee from Artsydee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Procreate brushes and Procreate stamps into the Procreate interface or into the Procreate brush library. So we're going to be using my 3 Artsydee sticker stamps, which are part of my Artsydee sticker stamp set. It's a free set available on my store, Procreate Sticker Maker Starter Kit. And this includes a couple of things in this set. I'll show you now. It includes a set of swatches, Garden Cottage color palette, the Artsydee sticker stamps, a canvas, and a PDF explaining how to make Procreate stickers. It's a starter making kit. So I've gone ahead and selected download. I'm going to show you how to import brushes or stamps today. So I've just gone and downloaded the Artsydee sticker stamp brush set here. Stamps and brushes are always called a brush set file on Procreate. So once we've done that, make sure you have Procreate open on your iPad. This makes the whole process a lot easier. Have it open on a new canvas or on the canvas that you're working on. You're then going to say save. And you're going to save it to wherever you want to on your iPad. I'm going to just save it to files, but if you've got Google Drive or another file saving system available, you're welcome to save it there as well. So I'm going to go save, and immediately it says open in. So I'm going to select open in, and I'm going to choose Procreate. And if you go to your brush library, you will see that the sticker stamps, or rather your brush set or your stamp set, has been imported into your brush library. Bear in mind, in Procreate, with the update, the recent update, we've got now a classic library, a Procreate library, and then you've got your own library if you had previously made stamps or if you had upgraded recently and you had your own set already. For some reason, when you get to this stage on your browser and it doesn't say open in, or this suddenly closes, what you can do is you can go to your files folder or your files on your iPad, and then you can select the place where you saved them, and there they are. And then you can click on the file and it imports it immediately, provided you have Procreate open. I really hope that helped. Please like and subscribe if you want more handy Procreate tips and tutorials, and don't forget to grab my free sticker starter making kit. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.